He's definitely excited. That's it. Cafe Mobber's gone. Bye-bye, baby. Next. What you doing? Fancy. We're making reverse vampire steaks, in case you're curious. Now that the Cafe Mobber's gone, I'm kind of bummed. And it's time to upgrade this guy. I had a little fun with it. We've been running a QS90 with a Grom 12-inch rear on 35 chain with my own adapters. And we're running a 71.2 sprocket. These guys come from Iconic Cycles. That's where I buy all that stuff. This is our version 2 RSF arm. This one's probably like a 7 or 8 inch stretch. Running our old RSF springs. I have not purchased a spring in years, so I don't have any links for you. And then our custom battery tray that we used. What I did was I ran some angle iron that I cut into a bolt that goes diagonal across the battery into the back of the frame down here. And what I was considering doing is making this longer and adding that third battery here. I think I'm just going to stick it in here instead. But I need to tear it all apart, clean it up, cut some metal out here because I obviously have too much metal. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of a bunch of metal there and let this motor breathe easier. And then I still want to keep this this form of a chain grease flap, because I tell you, it'll get pretty dirty sometimes. I'm grateful it's there. We need to take it apart, clean it up. I think I should go bare metal. I might make it bare metal and then just clear coat it. I think that would look good. And then go ahead and wire it up correctly. We have a 200 amp I'm going to go ahead and slap on there. That's a 450, but you know, 200 line is the answer that I need. We're going to run 3 of these 40 amp 19.2 hour packs. That'll give me 120 amps. Honestly, it'll give you about 130, 135 amps. But this guy really can't push out more than that anyway, so why try to burn it out when I'd rather just enjoy it. And then we run the 14-inch alloy in the front. I'll go ahead and clean up this bucket, make it all nice and clean again. But she's going to get a new life. I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep the bare metal look like we did with the Cafe Racer. I really like how it turned out. But anyways, what do you think, son? You're really curious little puppy dog. Oh, big stretchers, huh? It just won't seem to do. I will never get my life together. That ain't nothing new. Oh, I'm in it to win it. But my friends are off the track now. Ain't no finish line. I'm trying my hardest. Just won't seem to do. I will never get my shit together. That ain't nothing new. Thank you guys. Y'all have a wonderful night.